Have you ever wondered if the popular project management tool Asana is worth your time and effort? Does it pay well? Let's dive in and find out. Asana has become a go-to tool for individuals and teams alike, offering a sleek interface and powerful features to streamline workflows. But is it financially rewarding? In this video, we'll explore the potential earnings you can make using Asana, from freelance work to full-time roles. Freelancing with Asana. Niche down. The key to earning well as an Asana freelancer is to specialize in a specific niche. Whether it's marketing, design, or software development, having a focused area of expertise will attract higher-paying clients. Platform selection. Choose platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr to showcase your Asana skills and connect with potential clients. Pricing strategies. Determine your hourly rate or project-based pricing based on your experience, location, and the complexity of the tasks. Consider factors like the client's budget and the scope of the project. Building a portfolio. Showcase your Asana projects to demonstrate your capabilities and attract more clients. Highlight successful outcomes and positive feedback. Networking. Connect with other Asana professionals and potential clients through online communities, social media, and industry events. Building relationships can lead to referrals and long-term partnerships. Full-time roles in Asana. Job market analysis. Research the demand for Asana experts in your region or industry. Look for job postings on platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and company websites. Skill development. Enhance your Asana skills by taking online courses, attending workshops, or earning certifications. This will make you more competitive in the job market. Salary expectations. Research average salaries for Asana-related roles in your area. Consider factors like your experience, location, and the specific company you're applying to. Interview preparation. Practice answering common interview questions related to Asana and project management. Highlight your skills, experience, and passion for the field. Negotiation tips. Be prepared to negotiate your salary during the job offer stage. Research industry standards and be confident in your worth. Additional income streams with Asana. Creating online courses. Share your Asana expertise by creating online courses or tutorials. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera can help you reach a wider audience and generate passive income. Consulting services. Offer consulting services to businesses looking to optimize their workflows with Asana. Provide tailored advice, training, and implementation support. Developing Asana apps. Create custom Asana apps to solve specific business problems. This can be a lucrative venture if you have strong programming skills. Selling templates and resources. Develop and sell Asana templates, checklists, or other resources to help users streamline their tasks. Does Asana pay well? The answer is yes, but it depends on your approach and dedication. By specializing in a niche, building a strong portfolio, and actively seeking opportunities, you can earn a substantial income using Asana. Whether you're a freelancer or looking for a full-time role, there are various avenues to explore. Ready to start your Asana journey and unlock your earning potential? Take the first step by mentioning a specific action, such as creating a free Asana account, joining an online community, or exploring freelance platforms. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.